The background looks nice, doesn't it? A big improvement from my previous setup. If you've seen my older videos, I used to, my desk, I actually shifted from my storeroom back to my bedroom. This is my bed right here. And yeah, I've pretty much moved everything that I have since my brother has moved to another city. I'm the only kid in the house, and this entire room belongs to me now. I know you're watching, but he's not watching. He never watches my video. Then he asks why I, beat him. He's twice, not twice, but he's taller and bigger than me. Doesn't even suit me saying that I beat him around. Anyways, back to topic that my background has changed. Oh. My background has changed, and I have some ideas to make more improvement. The wall, I'll just show you. Hang on. It's in selfie mode right now, so I'll show you. This is the look at with I have set up light in a new creative way. Don't mind that. This is my desk. This is my night milk. I drink milk every night. Surprising, huh? This is my study desk. Okay. I've planned to study, from notebooks and stuff. And this is my computer table. I have CPU and UPS here too. For some reason, I don't own that separate PC anymore, but I have it. So, and this is some lady telling about why your brain overthinks. Neuroscience, ancient wisdom, Bhagavad Gita, Yoga Sutra. Damn. And that title really interested me. And yeah, this is my computer table. Okay, and I'll show you around some pieces of decoration, my almirah, paintings, trophy stand. This is bed, and this is my guitar. That is painting. That is whiteboard, and this is AC. So yeah, not very basic, but yeah, it's good. And yeah, I was showing you that this whole wall is plain right now, and I am planning to do something with this wall. Now I don't know what or how I'm going to do, but I am going to do it. I really love this chair, although it started squeaking now, but yeah, it's really amazing. As a kid, I used to have a office chair like this that 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 rotates 360, and I used to just rotate max it. Yes, this like this. Let's go. Yeah. Max versus Stappen. Hamilton. No, one shoe on office chair. Remember that. So sorry. I was saying that I've changed rooms, and I was watching this video of this lady that I just showed you, and the thing I wanted to say after 4 minutes, should I say it in another video? Yeah, I would. What's the next one? This would be room tour or something.